What's up, Wayne Barron here with darkeffects.net, and as you can see, we're inside of something new. This is Adobe Edge Reflow. I'm not really sure exactly when it came out, but I just found out about it just a little while ago from a site that I'm a member of, and so I decided to download it and give it a shot. And basically, what it is, this is the website here on Adobe's site. It's if you're used to Adobe programs like Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Dreamweaver and Edge Animate, especially Edge Animate, this has got almost the same layout design as Edge Animate does, except that you don't animate inside this, you actually design web layouts using CSS and div. And so, but this is the website, html.adobe.com/edge/reflow. You got to become a member, and then you're able to download it from the cloud. And it's updated periodically. I get that out right. And but I mean, it seems to be pretty cool. Okay, it does not output the code in a HTML type of file. Instead, what it does is that it outputs into a RFLW, which is basically reflow, and that's just a processing. It's actually a CSS. If you was to look at the code inside of Notepad, that's basically what it looks like. It's just all CSS code inside of here, but it's designed to be read by the program. And so let's see, if we was to open this up, and this is basically what I made earlier, is this little thing. It's got a header here, it's got a footer, got the text, move the text up, keep it inside the div. And so that's my footer, my header and my footer, and then I've got two sidebars right here, and then I can actually come over here and add a content in the center, and then, oops, make sure you click out of it so you don't create no more, and then you can come in here and then you can add some information in here. And basically, what you're able to do with this is that you're able to make your layouts a little bit more fluently. If you're used to Dreamweaver, then you're used to the way you're able to make your layouts within Dreamweaver. And for what I can gather, I mean, this is my day one. I've actually, this is actually the second time that I've used it, and I've downloaded it about an hour and a half ago. And so I'm basically talking as I'm learning the program as well. And so, but in order to be able to view your work, you got to make sure that for one, it's saved, and saved as. You want to create a saved project file. Then you click on view, and you got to have Google Chrome. The program does not use any other browser application that I'm aware of except at Google Chrome. So you have to download it and install Google Chrome in order to be able to view your project files in a live web server or a website. So anyway, preview, that's getting on my nerves. View, preview in Chrome, and then it's going to load it up in Chrome, and there you go. So it's basically the same thing as what you would get inside of any other editing software. And in order to view the code, you just basically right click, view page source, and then right here you got your it doesn't give you a way to name the items yet. Hopefully this will be something that they will add in a future release that will actually, you'll be able to name the items, your IDs and classes. But right now it's just text one box 1, 2, 3, 4, so forth and so on. Okay, this right here is your HTML. Now this, the reflow.css, that is your CSS. So you right click, open it, and this right here is your actual layout. So all this information right here is obtained inside of here. So instead of having to type out about all this, which is basically what I do with a lot of my stuff, is that I hand type it. You don't have to do that within here now. And most web designers that will use this is going to take it out of here, and then they're going to go in and then they're going to play around with it to add in some more stuff as well, or remove stuff that's not needed and so forth. Because there's always stuff that this program is going to put in that you're probably going to think it's not needed, why is it there, and then you're going to remove it. And so, but so far, I mean, it seems to be a pretty good program. I'm going to play around with it some more. This is just my introductory into it. Yeah, I mean, it seems to be a pretty good program. So y'all jump on over to Adobe Cloud and download the Edge release that they've got out right now. And while you're over yonder as well, check out Edge Animate. I mean, it's really good. For those that are unaware, I've got several videos up on how to use Edge Animate. And so I will post more videos on this one as I go, as I learn how to do certain things in it. And I mean, it's if you're used to working with CSS period, this right here is going to be a no-brainer for anybody, because it's all CSS stuff. All this right here, instead of you having to hand code it, it's right there for you to choose and do whatever you want to do with it. So, alright, well, I'm Wayne Barron. This is darkeffects.net. This is Sunday evening, and I want to get to work and see if I can't make something cool. Y'all have a good one. Bye bye.